Practice reading sentences. Start with look at the. Children, read with me. Look at the bright stars twinkling in the night. Look at the beautiful butterfly fluttering by. It's so graceful. Look at the fluffy clouds shaped like animals in the sky. Look at the busy ants working together to build their ant hill. Look at the bright rainbow after the rain. It's like magic. Look at the tiny ladybug crawling on the flower petal. Look at the big round moon shining in the night sky. Look at the wiggly worm digging into the soil. Look at the tall sunflowers reaching for the sun. Look at the colorful fish swimming in the aquarium. Look at the busy beehive. The bees are working hard. Look at the colorful kite soaring high in the sky.